Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annie's Sweet Home Treat here. So guys, as you all know, today is Valentine. So we make the Valentine cookies for our loved ones. If today is the first time of tuning in, you're welcome. Please like, subscribe, and watch to the end. To my new subscribers, you are welcome. My old subscribers, of course, you all are welcome. So I'll be showing you all the ingredients we'll be using for this our vanilla and strawberry cookies for our Valentine. Stay tuned and watch to the end.